morning. Good morning, I'm Joao.
Morning, I'm Delphina.
And we're doing another 3721 vlog today. If you like our vlogs, we ask you to subscribe. It's for free. And this morning we're doing the Paarl Mountain once again. We've done about, every Saturday we are here. And we're going up the Waterfall, which is to the front there. We should be doing about 9 kilometers this morning.
Yeah, it's a bit misty. Yeah, hopefully it will clear up a little bit. Yeah, but it's really beautiful, even in the mist.
Yeah, so we're going to be walking there and then we go up the Waterfall.
Bit of a challenge. Yeah.
You can see the thick mist over here. It looks very beautiful. So it's 6:30 in the morning, 24th of October 2020. And we still find ourselves in lockdown level 2. There's the waterfalling.
Going through here. Yes.
And look at the guy who did the clocks.
Yeah. No, he was not old either.
No. And he was super fit.
Really glorified.
We'll soon be arriving at a place called the OuKraal. It's an amazing place. So mystic up here now. As you can see, Delphina's up ahead.
Nice. It was quite steep and loose rocks, and yeah, the ground was quite loose at some points, but it was good. Yeah, and the waterfall was beautiful. Yeah, never seen it with so much water gushing down. It was really beautiful to see that and hear the water.
The waterfall was really gushing today. Every time that we have been up here for the last 3 years, it's been very little water, but I've never seen it so full. And it's a lovely morning. It's nice and cool. So here's a new sign that they've put up recently. You can see there, the OuKraal Picnic site only. No camping, only picnic.
This is what I do now. Dat wat ze eigenlijk was genoeg van.
As well, you know, often.
The drone people, DJI, are putting out little cameras now. You know, they've got the camera in the drone, but they're also doing stuff like the GoPro.
So about 3 weeks ago we were here. It was a lovely clear day. You could see the whole dam. It was nice and blue. Now everything's grey here. It's very misty. It'll be a nice contrast to see between the two. Can't even see the water. here's another one. Tunnel that so the insects can go in.
Now you know what you can try.
It's also full of flowers here now, which I've never seen before. Yeah, so this is where we were about 3 weeks ago and we filmed. Obviously it was nice and clear and blue. So we're walking on the dam wall. We can see the dam wall down here. Oh, look at this. What a beautiful discovery.
Yes, it was good. Yes, it was. The apples were
It's more the sound that I hear. It's nice.
To our right is the Nantes Dam, which we can't see at the moment. You can see all these spider webs here. They look absolutely amazing. Here's another one. They're everywhere.
Thank you. Well done to you as well.
Oh, that was nice. Let me just check the time. It's 9:05. Okay. I think we started about 6:30. Yeah.
6.
I see some people are already going to fry and barbecue. Yeah. That was nice, yeah. Did you enjoy it, Joao?
Lovely.
It was nice. Yeah, very nice. I enjoyed it too, yeah.
No, it was really good.
Yeah. Every walk that we do is
all different.
is different.
It's all in the same mountain, but they're all different.
They're all different, yeah. Okay, here's our lift.